Hello students, we are discussing aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, correct? So in the last class, in the last session, we completed the nomenclature, introduction of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, nomenclature and nature of carbonyl group, correct? So in this class, we are going to prepare aldehydes and ketones by different method. So first method is preparation of aldehyde. The first method is Stephen's reduction reaction. Preparation of aldehyde from Stephen reaction. So heading is preparation of aldehyde. Preparation of aldehyde. So in Stephen's reduction reaction, first named reaction is Stephen's reduction reaction. Stephen's reduction reaction. So in this Stephen's reduction reaction, we are preparing aldehyde. We are preparing aldehyde by reacting with. We are preparing aldehyde from the what? Nitrile group. From the nitrile by treating with stannous chloride. By treating with stannous chloride in presence of what? Acid. First, it will form a what? Imine chloride. Imine chloride. After hydrolysis of imine chloride, finally we will get a what? Aldehyde. In the first step, nitrile is taken. Nitrile produces a what? Imine. Imine on hydrolysis, it will form a what? Aldehyde. So write the reaction first. So what is the reaction? Nitriles reacts with what? Stannous chloride. Nitrous reacts with stannous chloride in presence of what? HCl. What it will form? Imine hydrochlorides. Imines are the what? Intermediates here. So imines it will form after imine on hydrolysis. Imine hydrolysis will produce what? Aldehyde. Imine hydrolysis to produce aldehyde. Correct? Now write the what is the formula? General formula for nitrile? C triple bond N. RCl. Correct? C triple bond N. Nitrile molecular formula is general formula is RC triple bond N. Correct? Now this will react with what? Hydrogen. That is what? Reduction. What is reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Now, how these hydrogens are produced? By reacting stannous chloride. By reacting stannous chloride with what? HCl. Reaction of stannous chloride with HCl will produce what? Take 2 moles of HCl. It will produce SnCl2 plus 2 hydrogens. Clear? So these are the hydrogens. What I have written here. Okay. So these hydrogens are formed from the reaction of stannous chloride and HCl. These hydrogens are from what? Reaction of SnCl2 and HCl. Now it will form a what? Imine. What is imine? Imine means what? Carbon nitrogen double bonded organic compounds. Carbon nitrogen doubly bonded organic compounds are said to be what? Imine. Now what you do here? 2 hydrogens are there. Where we should add the hydrogens at the functional group, correct? Where we have a triple bond. Now add 1 hydrogen this side and add 1 hydrogen this side. Are you getting? 2 hydrogens are there. So add 1 hydrogen to the what? Carbon and 1 hydrogen to the what? Nitrogen. Now what it will form? R will remain same. Next, whenever you are adding a molecule to your what? Triply bonded molecules, the triple bond will get converted into what? Double bond. Now R, CH, R, add this hydrogen, R, CH, triple bond becomes what? Double bond. Double bond, NH and HCl. One HCl molecule will be with that. Next, so this is what imine, what we call imine. Okay, next, imine on hydrolysis, on boiled water on boiling the water, on warmed water, on treating with the water, boiled water, that is hydrolysis. So boiled water hydrolysis, it will form aldehyde. It will form what? Aldehyde. So listen here. So look at here. Break this bond. Correct? What we need? We need aldehyde. Correct? So water. How to add this water? Add oxygen to this side, right side, and hydrogen to the what? The left side. Are you getting? What is hydrolysis? Addition of water and breaking the breaking the bond, correct? Add water molecule to such that oxygen is added to your right side and hydrogen is added to the left side of this double bond. Clear? Now what will be the product now? Now what will be the product? R single bond CHO. R CHO. Clear? Now what remains? Write it collectively. One nitrogen, two hydrogens, one hydrogen, one hydrogen. It will be what? NH4. Here oxygen and here hydrogen. Hydrogen to this side and oxygen to that side. So it will form what? NH4Cl. Are you getting? One nitrogen, four hydrogens and one chlorine. It will form what? Salt. Ammonium chloride will be the salt. Ammonium chloride will be the salt. Clear? So this is the Stephen's reduction reaction. Stephen's reduction reaction. How these hydrogens are produced? By reacting of stannous chloride with the HCl. Clear? Next. Next, write example for it. In place of R, take any alkyl, and take CH3, C triple bond N plus two hydrogens, SnCl2 plus HCl. Now, in place of R, substitute CH3, CH double bond NH, HCl. Correct? Plus hydrolysis. Again, break this bond. Add oxygen this side, that side, and hydrogen this side. So it will form what? CH3, CHO plus NH4Cl. Correct? So name it. Now, from which side you will start numbering? Start from the right side. So call it as carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. How many carbons are there in the given compound? 2 carbons. So what is the root word? Carbon single bond. Carbon single bond. So ethane. Which is the function group? C triple bond N is what? Nitrile. Ethane nitrile. Okay. So this is stannous chloride. Now its name is acetaldamine hydrochloride. Its name is what? 2 carbons are there. Acetaldamine hydrochloride. Or just you can write a imine. Okay. Next. So what is its name? Start numbering from right side. 1, 2. 2 carbons are there. So what is the root word? Eth. Carbon single bond Al. E is replaced by which letter? Al. So ethanol is the IUPAC name for this compound. Clear? So by substituting R by different alkyls, take methyl, propyl, benzene. So you can prepare a different aldehydes. Clear? So this is Stephen's reduction reaction. Next we will go for second reaction, Rosenmund reaction. Second reaction, Rosenmund reaction. Second Rosenmund reduction reaction. Important for the examination. So you may expect this question for your examination. 2 marks, many times it was asked. Okay. So Rosenmund reaction, Rosenmund reduction, right here. Rosenmund reduction for the what? Acid halide, acetyl chloride. So right. What is Rosenmund reaction? Rosenmund is the what? Name of chemist. These are the what? Name reactions. Stephen reaction, Rosenmund reactions are the what? Name reactions. So R C double bond O Cl. What it is? Acid halide, correct? Acid chloride, correct? So acid chloride reacts with what? Hydrogen. Acid chloride reacts with what? Hydrogen. Again reduction reaction. It is a reduction reaction. What is reduction? Addition of hydrogen. So acid chloride reacts with what? H2. Addition of hydrogen. In presence of what? Palladium catalyst on the surface of what? Barium sulfate. On the surface of what? Barium sulfate. Palladium and barium sulfate. Clear? Now, how to write the product? Look at here. So I can write H and H. Is it or not? H2 can be written as H single bond H. Okay. Now remove this Cl and hydrogen. Remove this Cl and hydrogen. Correct? So what will be the product? Byproduct is HCl plus what remain? R C double bond O H. R C double bond O H. So this is what aldehyde. This is what aldehyde. Clear? So acid chloride reduced to form a what? Aldehyde. Acid chloride is reduced to form an aldehyde by using palladium and barium sulfate. Write example for it. In place of R, take CH3, C double bond O, Cl plus hydrogen. It gives palladium, barium sulfate. Medium is here xylene. Okay, the reaction is carried in xylene medium. Okay, remove again HCl. Remove the HCl. What remains? CH3, C double bond O, H. Okay. Now, what is the name for it? Write it as acetyl. Two carbons are there. Acetyl, correct? Acetyl chloride. So what is it saying? Number it 1, 2. Two carbons are there. So it carbon single bond AN. Correct? Aldehyde is the functional group. So the suffix should be what? AL. Suffix is AL. Ethanol is the name of the product. Clear? So in this way we can write many examples. Take benzene in place of R. So this will be what? Benzyl chloride. C double bond O, Cl plus H into H. Remove this one. So the product will be equal to what will be the product? Benzaldehyde is the product. C double bond O, H plus HCl. What is it? Benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride is the name of reactant. So this one is what? Benzaldehyde. Clear? So these are the reactions, very simple reactions, and it is important for the examination. Clear? Rosenman reduction reaction. Next, third type of reaction. Preparation of aldehyde by third method. And one more thing, one important thing is here, only by using Rosenman reduction reaction or by using Rosenman reactions, we can prepare a what? Aldehyde. Aldehyde can be prepared. Aldehydes can be prepared from the what? Rosenman reaction, not the ketones. Ketones do not respond to what? Rosenman reduction. Okay, only aldehydes can be prepared by using Rosenman reaction, not a ketones. Clear? Next type of reactions. Third named reaction, Itard reaction. Itard's reaction. Itard reaction for preparation of aldehyde. So Itard reaction is used to prepare aromatic aldehydes. Are you getting? Itard reaction is mainly used for the preparation of what? Aromatic aldehyde. So aromatic aldehyde means I will take initial reactant as toluene. Take toluene. So this is CH3. Toluene, correct? Toluene reacts with chromyl chloride. Itard reagent is chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride formula is Cr, that is chromium, CrO2Cl2. Are you getting? Toluene reacts with chromyl chloride. Okay. Now, first it will form a chromium complex. Now, write the reaction. I can write this as CH, H, H, correct? Then also it is toluene only. CH, CH, two hydrogens are written separately by the word bond line. Next. Now what will be the intermediate means? What will be the complex means? Benzene as it is. Next, CH as it is. Now we will have a word chromium complex here. Now how to write the product? Look at here. So bring one oxygen to this side. Bring one oxygen to this side. Are you getting? And hydrogen here. Bring oxygen here. Bring oxygen to the word before chromium, previous to chromium, and hydrogen here. So what will be the product now? Look at here. O, what will be the molecule? O here. Cr. Only one oxygen is shifted, correct? One oxygen will remain. And add this hydrogen here. OH. Again, how many Cl are there? 2 Cl as it is. Clear? Are you getting? One oxygen ikkade ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ OCr OCl2 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ OCrO HCl2 and another again same another hydrogen ಇದೆ take it two times okay OCrOH Cl2 clear okay so this is what chromium complex okay so this chromium complex on hydrolysis it will form benzaldehyde what it will give benzaldehyde CHO is the product benzaldehyde is the product clear so this is the reaction toluene reacts with chromyl chloride and forms a chromium complex finally it leads to formation of a toluene finally it leads to formation of a benzaldehyde so this is the reaction look at its mechanism ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ರಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇದೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ we have a word toluene I can write this as CH2 I can write this as what CH2H correct CH2H the bond is between carbon and hydrogen CH2 and H okay now chromyl chloride what is the structure of chromyl chloride chromium will be here one chromium atom two oxygen and two chlorines the structure of chromyl chloride is like this Cl okay now this oxygen has a what lone pairs now these lone pairs abstracts a what hydrogen clear this lone pair abstracts a what hydrogen now this bond when hydrogen is abstracted by the oxygen the two electrons these two electrons are shifted between here correct these two electrons shifted here correct now this carbon is already having about 1 2 3 4 bonds again two electrons are coming means it should be what it becomes not unstable so these electrons this pi bond present inside the benzene these electrons will move toward chromium clear now mechanism now what happens now look at here benzene so oxygen is pulling about hydrogen correct so it means it will have a water chromium OH it become what chromium OH now one side again double bond oxygen is attached Cl is attached as well as Cl is attached so this is the structure next these two electrons are shifting here means it will have what here double bond CH2 this one will remain same next these two electrons are moving towards which atom chromium atom it means this bond here we will have a bond between chromium and carbon here we have a bond correct are you getting so in the next step again we have a oxygen two oxygens are there now at this time this oxygen will make a what bond with the what carbon. This oxygen makes a bond with the what carbon. Now this bond move here. This double bond, the pi electrons will move to here. Okay. Now here, however, we are having a what single bond between carbon and chromium. Now this bond will move towards what chromium. It means the bond between carbon and chromium is breaking now. Clear? Now what will we have now? No. Look at here. So double bond. Here again the bond is moving here. ikkade bond bartide hagidre ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Now here double bond becomes a what single bond C. Two hydrogens are there, right? One hydrogen here and one hydrogen here. Now there is a bond between what oxygen and carbon. Oxygen को carbon को bond ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ as it is ಬರಲಿ. oxygen ಇದೆ. oxygen ಯಾವುದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? chromium ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. oxygen is attached to what chromium. To a chromium again we have a what OH. chromium की इदावे Cl इदावे and Cl इदावे. Correct? Now this bond is breaking. Clear? Now this is our next compound. Now look at here. What we need? We need a what benzaldehyde. We need aldehyde. Clear? Now this hydrogen will move here. Okay, then these electrons will move here, and the bond between oxygen and chromium will be what broken. Next, the bond equation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. This one. Next, single bond C. Here we have a hydrogen, and here we will have a double bond. Right. Next, carbon here, hydrogen. ಈ bond break ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, correct? ಈ bond break ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Double bond oxygen, correct? So again this bond is also breaking. So what we will have? H plus and chromium and Cl will come. H plus and Cl will make a what HCl bond. CrOCl will remain. CrOCl is remain. So this is our main product. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೇನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ನಾನು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೆಂಜಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. Not so important for the examination. Clear? Next one. Next reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. Fourth one. Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. Important for the examination. Okay. So in a Gattermann-Koch reaction, again it is a named reaction. Benzene reacts with carbon monoxide and HCl. Benzene reacts with carbon monoxide and HCl. In presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. And traces amount of cuprous chloride, CuCl, in presence of cuprous chloride. So it will form benzaldehyde. What is the product? Benzaldehyde, CH2. Okay. Again lengthy mechanism is there. So we don't need mechanism for the exam. Only we need a reaction. So look at here how to write the reaction. So everywhere we have 6 carbons are containing 6 hydrogen. So we have here hydrogen. So just attach CO to this one. Okay, we will get about CH2. First mechanism involves that first carbon monoxide and HCl reacts to form a acid chloride. That acid chloride will react with aluminium trichloride, and finally that intermediate will react with the benzene and it will form a benzaldehyde. So that is the mechanism. So we don't need mechanism, just remember the reaction. Benzene reacts with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of aluminium trichloride and traces amount of CuCl. So product is benzaldehyde. Clear? So these are the 4 methods of preparation of aldehyde. What are the 4 methods? First one is Stefan's. Second one is Rosenman reaction. Rosenman reaction. Third reaction is Ital reaction. Fourth one is what? Gutterman-Koch reaction. Fourth one is what? Gutterman-Koch reaction. So these are the four methods of preparation of aldehydes. Out of these four, Rosenman and Gutterman-Koch reactions are very important for the examinations. Clear? Next we will discuss preparation of ketones.